Hi, my name is Anna Pilkey. I'm a 7th grade English teacher here at Broadalbin-Perth Middle School. In elementary school, I always would play with my whiteboard and teach my stuffed animals when I was a little girl. So I don't think I ever really lost that love for teaching and wanting to be in front of a classroom and helping other people out. And once I got to the age where there were different subjects, English was really just my thing, and it's kind of stuck with me ever since then. I love sports. That's one of my favorite things to do. I love watching football, basketball, baseball is my favorite. I wish I could talk about it more. I don't think they know that I'm knowledgeable in several aspects, not just English.
Strive your best.
My family is from the area. I am not myself from the area. I've always driven past the high school and the junior high school, the whole campus on my way to my grandma's house growing up. And I really love it, and I'm glad I decided to come here because it's amazing. I also want to thank my coworkers. My mentor teacher, Miss Fagan, she's amazing and she's so knowledgeable on everything related to teaching and middle school students, and I would not have got through this. I don't even know where I would be without her, to be honest. She's very, very helpful and a great resource.